From Wondery Kids Wow in the World. 3, 2, 1.
We built a fart rocket!
Let her rip with Wondery Kids Wow in the World, the ultimate high-flying air rocket. Bring laughter and learning to your backyard as you stomp to launch your rocket, making fart and whistle sounds, and discovering essential STEM concepts like physics and air pressure as you play. Scan the QR code in the guide to access exclusive Wow facts from Wow in the World podcast hosts Guy Raz and Mindy Thomas.
That's one small step for humanity
And one huge fart for humankind.
Mix and match rocket designs, sound nozzles, and launch angles to see how high you can get your rocket to fly. Wondery Kids Wow in the World, the ultimate high-flying air rocket. For curious kids ages 4 and up.
from Wondery Kids
And Thames and Cosmos.